Okay, I'm going to share my screen right away. Okay. Now, can you see my screen?
No, sir.
Are you using your laptop or using your phone?
Okay, yes, better. Yes, it just came up now.
Okay, great.
Just came up.
So, you have a requirement called budget tracking. Are we together? The system must
Yes, sir.
calculate and display the total estimated and actual values for income, expenses, and balance. It should compute the differences between estimated and actual values for each categories automatically. And these are the functional requirements. Let's say you're given a functional requirement from a client. Then you see here, number two
Yes,
is
sir.
top expense
Top
identification.
expense.
The system must identify and list the top five highest operating expenses by amount. It should calculate the percentage of total expenses that each of the top five expenses represent. The system must provide a feature, watch, a feature to simulate cost saving measures and display the potential savings. Then number three,
So, are you recording?
yes, data
Okay, okay.
aggregation. The system must sum totals for income, personal expenses, operating expenses accurately. It should ensure that all calculations, the differences, percentages, update dynamically when underlying data changes. Then deviation alert. Watch. The system should highlight the categories where actual values deviate significantly by more than 10% from estimated value. It must flag anomalies such as employee benefits dropping to $0 for further review. Reporting. The system must generate summary reports showing key metrics like total income, total expenses, balance, and top expenses. It should allow users to export the report for further analysis or sharing. Then interaction. System should allow users to input or adjust estimated and actual values for any categories. It must provide
Okay,
clear
sir.
and intuitive interface for navigating between income, personal expenses, and operating expenses. Then number seven requirement, error handling. The system must
Handling,
validate
yeah.
inputs to prevent incorrect data entry. Can you see it now? Must validate input to prevent incorrect data entry, e.g., for example, negative values were not applicable. Now, it should display error
Yes,
message for
sir.
any calculation issues, such as missing or invalid data. The system should support the addition of new income or expense categories without requiring major structural change. It must analyze data set efficiently, ensure performance is not degraded as more data is added. Now, that's number eight. Section B is a 50-50 because Excel has a limit of large data they can handle. It's not like Python that can handle large data sets altogether. So, but it's
Bunch,
also good.
yes,
So
sir.
now, as an expert, you realize that what you have been given is involves budgets. You must understand
Yes, sir.
the data shape of budget analysis altogether. So basically,
Yes,
before
sir.
you start trying to implement it in Excel, you have to do your own research. What's budget analysis? What is all about? Expenses was all about. Are you getting it now? So these are what you need to first
Yes, sir.
understand before diving in. So I just set up these
To
questions, to
fix.
just pick up your interest altogether. Can you still see my
Yes, sir.
screen? So let's see what we have today. So this is what you expected. This should be your final output. Can you see the
Wow.
differences? Yes. So you can see
Hmm.
estimated, all these formulas. Are you seeing it now? You see, we have income
Yes, sir.
where you can allow people to put in
Yes, sir.
income and everything there. So
Yes, net
let's
sales,
assume
interest
I want
income.
to put maybe
But so I
this.
have a question.
Just relax, relax. I'm coming before your question comes. Let's want to
Okay.
put 500. So you can see it's already telling you that. Okay, can you see that? So this is what you expected. So you see, you also have an operating expenses here, personal expenses.
And personal expenses and income,
Can you see
monthly
wages?
budget summary.
Correct. Then this is the budget. Are you getting it now? Then you
Yes,
realize that
yes, sir.
can you see income, expenses? Then you see the chart. Can you see that now we've looked at
Yes, sir.
your our input? They must follow certain values. They must avoid errors. I getting it. Then also
Yes, sir.
you end up looking at the data, ensuring that the user is able to put in the right data and everything. Now this is supposed to be your final output. So question.
Okay, sir. So where do we the values are they stated in the requirements or the one actually going to put the values?
Remember, you are told to design a template. I getting it now. So you're going to put in the
Okay,
space for the
okay.
values. Then when you're done with the solution, the exact solution, you are supposed to do what called UAT, users acceptance test, whereby the user begin to put his own figure and is
Oh,
expecting that your
okay.
exact solution is dynamic as that changing any part, you must be seeing changes in. Let me give you an example. If you look at it this carefully in my personal expenses, let's assume this is the expected value. Let's assume I do lower in wages. Let's do okay, let me do higher. Because if you observe your total personal expenses, yes, this is the budgeted value, this is the actual altogether, and we can see that total
Yes,
difference
sir.
is just it's still in positive side. That means that we now when you have a positive value, what does that mean?
It's a good one. Oh,
It means that we are still within the budget, and that is a good one. That means it is not an over.
yes, yes. That's it.
Are you
Mm-hmm.
seeing it now? So now this is
Yes, sir.
what we're expected to do. So that means that the experience we're expecting to bring in here is number one, the experience of data validation, error handling in Excel. So you should be able to know how to use this part here. You can see data validation. Then we should be able to understand how formula works on table. How together you can see top five amounts.
Yes, sir.
Can you see now how we do top five? So that top five is going to tell you that can you see advertisements and everything here? Can you see the top five
Yes, sir.
amounts? So you can see the formula that was applied to the formula. So these are the experiences we're supposed to bring in, how to use the formula and everything there. Okay. So since your Excel is not working, so how soon can you sort out your Excel issue? That is by tomorrow. So that is what we have for today. So these are what we're supposed to work on. So
Okay,
that
sir.
means that
On.
basically this is going to become your assignment. So I'm going to send
Okay,
you
sir. But do you have? Okay.
and with you, yes, ask a question.
Okay, sir. Do you have any other solution I can do? Is it to re-download it online or to? Oh, wait. Oh, just opened.
Go
But now
to
log back. Ah,
go
Jesus
to
Christ.
Microsoft.com, Excel, Microsoft Excel
Okay.
online.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Microsoft. Okay, so I'm there.
So you have to go to excel.cloud.microsoft. excel.cloud.microsoft.
Okay, Excel dot cloud dot Microsoft.
So I'm going to do a screenshot and give it to you. Okay, what I'm trying to do is to at least help you out to look so that you can have an idea how the visualization should look like all together.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So I think the one for the cloud is loading. So maybe I can
It's going to take
use
time.
that.
Okay. So
Then maybe by Monday I'll get the other one fixed ASAP.
oh, I've forgotten that tomorrow is the weekend. Okay. So I'm going to send you the assignments right away. So try and
Okay, sir.
work, put your hands on them, and let me have your feedback. Okay. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
Yes, sir.